Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add keystrokes. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is head over into your browser, go to your search bar, search up NOH board OBS, and then from the actual OBS website himself, you'll see an approved NOH board, and then you just go to download, and then you just download the zip file. It'll appear right here. On your downloads, right click it, extract the zip file. Once you go ahead and extract it, you'll end up with a folder that looks like this. Go ahead and double click it. Yours isn't going to look like this. It's just going to look like a little blue screen. Right click it, press load keyboard, and then click on category and use the category that starts with a J. It's JOAO. And then go ahead and click on that. And then I like to use the second one down. And then that's going to go ahead and pull this screen up right here. And then from there, you just open up the OBS instance that you want to use, go to the scene that you want to be on, and then press plus sources, and then add a window capture, and then you can capture the window with the keystrokes. Now, if you want to get rid of this ugly green background, don't panic. Just right click, go to filters, add filter, and then chroma key, and then it'll go ahead and delete that background. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.